guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to see me ruin my hair, just keep watching. Mwah. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. I don't know why. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna attempt to dye these roots. As you can see, my hair is like really blonde, but unfortunately I bleached it last time and like a lot of it fell out. So I'm trying to lighten it without bleaching it. And so I'm using this product that I've never used before. It's the Soy 4Plex High Lift Cool Blonde in 12A. And the only thing the instructions say is to mix 2 ounces of this with 4 ounces of 40 volume cream developer. I've like never put 40 volume cream developer on my hair before, so I just got 30 and I figured this is like safe. If my hair falls out, I'm gonna be like really sad, but honestly I'll get over it because I've had long hair for so long, so you know, who cares, right? So here's how long my hair is, and it is absolutely gross because it's like so tangled, and I'm not even gonna brush it. I'll show you guys how I do my hair. I'm just like using this scale and I zeroed it out because I want to get like accurate, you know, because if it works I want to do it. So I got 1 ounce of the cream and then 2 ounces of the developer, and I think that should be enough, right? Because I'm only doing my roots. Alright, I'm just gonna mix this and then let's start putting it on my head. So yeah, so all I did was I just parted it down the back. Ooh, love it. Look at those roots. Yeah, so I feel like when you're doing your hair, like the faster you can get it on, then the more evenly it'll process. And if you guys see right here, this like orange, yeah, this is when I had my sister do my hair, and she probably took an hour to put the bleach on my hair. And I just rinsed it out because I'm like, I'm not waiting for this little orange spot to turn blonde. Anyways, that was a huge disaster. That's when a lot of my hair fell out. Okay, so I've got this hair here, and then in case I like mess up and I suck at this, so basically all I do is I just kind of start from the back and go like this, and then I like, you know, saturate it like crazy, and then I just flip it over, and then I do it again. But because you probably won't be able to see it from the back. So basically what I'm doing is like, I'm going all the way to this half here, right here, and use your fingers to feel it, and make sure you get it all. And honestly, you guys, I feel like that's the fastest way that I can put hair color on my roots. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So you can keep watching if you want to. Alright. Here goes the thing. Wait, I forgot my gloves. I have these gloves from the dollar store. So first I'm gonna get that section ready so it's ready to flip over as soon as it's done. And you know what? A lot of people are gonna be like, oh my god, don't overlap. But you know what? I don't care. And it's my hair, so I'm basically just gonna throw it on. Now you should be able to see it like coming through, so obviously I didn't put enough on, so I'm gonna make sure I really saturate it this time. See, I didn't even brush my hair because I didn't even care. Like, mainly what I'm trying to do is not really like, I know it's not going to be platinum, obviously, but I'm hoping that it gets light enough so that I can sort of let it grow out a little and then bleach it all at once. Okay, now that that's all done, I'm gonna wipe my hands off. I'm gonna flip all my hair back over here. Kind of put it in like a clip where it's like off your neck, so that way these hairs aren't resting on that color. Okay, Now that that's done, I'm gonna make sure I get all this saturated. And then this is something I do. You probably never want to do this. Everyone else did that. You never do this. But like, so I massage my roots just to make sure it's all wet and covered. I think I covered it all. I mean, we'll find out, right, when I wash it out. Okay. So I'm gonna rinse my gloves. All right, now I'm gonna put like a hat on it or something. I'm gonna put a shower cap on it. And this says process for up to 45 minutes. So I'm gonna set a timer for 45 minutes. And see what happens. All right, see you guys later.
Ooh, who's she?
Alright guys, I'm back, and I ended up putting tinfoil over top of, what is this, saran wrap. Alright, it's time to face the music. Let's find out what I did to myself. It does not look light at all. Look, even the camera was upset about it. This does not look light, like at all. And it could be because that purple color that's on it. Or, I don't know, maybe I just suck at this. I probably just suck at this. Let's go with it. It's been 45 minutes. So I'm gonna shower, rinse it out, and then we'll see what mistakes I made. Yay! So I shampooed and washed my hair with this Frederick Mackay, which, oh my god, is like really good stuff. It's the PRX Reparatives shampoo. And I also use the conditioner, but the conditioner is propping up my camera, so problems. Anyways, you guys, this is not what I expected it to look like at all. So if you want these results, it's so much darker than I thought it would be. Okay, here's the other issue, right? So remember how I overlapped this front? Like, look at it, that broke. Or maybe it was already broken. I don't know. Okay, but it does look kind of fragile. You know what? It's all my sister's fault because she was like, don't bleach your hair anymore. Just use that light color and lighten it and then bleach it. Okay, yeah, great advice. Except for now, look at, this is so white. I can't touch that with bleach. I guess I'm just gonna get stuck with ginger hair. I don't know. Or I guess I'll have to do highlights, huh? So it's the end of the platinum era. It's kind of sad. I mean, I guess it's just something I'll have to get used to, right? I don't know. It's not like what I was hoping for. So I'm probably gonna put this through my hair, not today, because I'm so fucking tired. Honestly, now that it's lightening up, it doesn't look that bad. But doesn't it kind of look like there's like a brown spot, which is weird because I definitely overlapped it. I don't know why. I'm gonna be a ginger now, so I'm not gonna be a platinum blonde anymore. I'm gonna be a ginger, so I'm really excited about. Oh my god, did I miss spots in the bag? Oh my god, did I? I probably did. Oh well. Get it next time. That's what I always say. Like, I'm not gonna fix it. I'm just gonna wait and get it next time. This is so pretty though, like how blonde this is, like, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. That's really pretty. I don't hate that part. I'm gonna be a redhead. I'm gonna be Lindsay Lohan. Well, a mixture of Mary-Kate Olsen and Lindsay Lohan. You know, Mary-Kate never brushes her hair, like that's gonna be me. Anyways, so I'm gonna try this Blonde Brilliance soon, not right now, but I'm just gonna like put it to the ends because I really want it bright and white. Though I should probably leave this section alone, huh? That way it doesn't turn purple. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll leave that alone. Anyways, not a bad result. I think it's a really nice transition color. Honestly, I'm not hating. I did put some makeup on. I don't know why. I guess because I might go to Walmart, so Honestly, I don't hate it. I don't hate it as a transition color. It's not killing me. I'm not dying, but I don't hate it. Yes, yes, yes. My hair was so pretty as a platinum blonde though. Like, oh, it's gonna be so sad. Bye, Khaleesi. Hello, Lindsay Lohan. Ugh, I guess that's the end of my hair video. Yeah, so don't do what I did. Or like, do whatever you want, honestly. It's your hair, right? Your hair, your life. Do it, live it. Bye.